The very beginning of Woodland was 2005 is when the company started. It was me and my wife Emma got married in 2005, and we moved into a small shop, 2,000 square feet, very small. Until 2010, we moved to this location where we're at today. And then in 2015, we did a major shift. We really started focusing on building our own brand rather than doing sub work for other manufacturers. So it was a major shift for us, kind of a reinvention of Woodland almost in 2015. 2016, 17, 18, through there we started really pushing Cabin Vision as our design software. After that, moved into Vortex Spaces, which was more of the rendering, three-dimensional video walkthroughs, and really started building our team. Really focused more heavily on, the team aspect of the business, and really realized how important people are. We just recently here moved into the whole webcam software. We realized we're at a point in our business where we're about as large as we can go without the wheels all falling off, without some sort of a management software. We had tried a full functional ERP software, dramatically failed on that, and I take a lot of the blame for that, but it didn't work for us. So we narrowed our focus and said the biggest challenge that we've got is scheduling and shop floor management. That's really where our challenges are. So looked at webcam, drove to go back in one of the worst snowstorms of the winter last year. Well, the worst snowstorm of the century, I think it was. And looked at another place that was running it. We came back super impressed and started the process of implementation from there. We're now live for about 8 months, I'm going to say, that we actually started using it on the shop floor. And it's been hands down the best decision we've made. Cabinets are flowing out of the shop on a nice level. Instead of those peaks and valleys that we used to see, it's a nice level flow week by week. I'm literally just noticed that this morning when I was looking at metrics, that the dips and the dives we used to see are leveling out to a very flat, stable, week by week production numbers. Every department in the shop sees what they need to do. It's just calmed the stress down in the shop to where everyone knows if they get their task done on their assigned date, it's all going to work out. So it's been fantastic. It's been a huge help, and I see it as a really solid platform for kind of the next level of our growth as we look at potentially in a few years relocating to a different, larger property that we have acquired in town here. That's part of our planning, and this is really the base level foundation for us as we move into, who knows what the future will all hold, but we're excited.